In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your broker to MetaTrader 5 in just 5 minutes. MetaTrader 5 is a popular trading platform used by Forex and CFD traders worldwide. To get started with it, you first need to have an account with a Forex or CFD broker. Having this account is crucial as it will allow you to trade directly through MetaTrader 5. The first step involves opening a brokerage account if you don't already have one. During the registration process, it's important to choose MT5 as your trading platform. Many brokers offer both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, but today we're focusing on the latter, so be sure to make the right selection. After choosing your trading platform, the broker should provide you with a direct download link for MetaTrader 5, or guide you through their client portal to download the correct version for your device. Typically, you'll receive an .exe installation file from the broker's website. Go ahead and download this file to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder and double-click to run it. During installation, you may be prompted with a user account control window, asking for permission to allow the app to make changes to your device. This is a standard step for most installations, and granting permission will let the installation proceed. Next, you'll see the license agreement. Take a moment to read through it. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions of using the software, as it outlines important information about your rights and responsibilities. Click Accept once you're ready to move forward. If you prefer to set a different installation folder, this would be the time to click Settings and adjust that. Otherwise, you can click Next and let the installation proceed with the default settings. Sit back and wait as MetaTrader 5 is installed on your computer. This process usually only takes a few moments. After installation, the MetaTrader 5 terminal will launch automatically. Now, you're almost set to start trading. You'll need to enter your account information provided by your broker. This includes your account number, password, and the server details. If you're setting up a new account, these details should already be available to you from your registration process. Input this information carefully to avoid any login issues. Lastly, if you prefer not to dive straight into live trading, you have the option to start with a demo account. This is an excellent choice for those who are new to trading or want to practice with virtual funds before committing real money. Demo accounts simulate the trading environment, allowing you to get comfortable with the platform at your own pace. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully connected your broker to MetaTrader 5, and you're ready to begin your trading journey. Thanks for joining me today, and see you next time for more helpful guides and tips.